Hello folks, welcome back to my channel Rides with Richie. I hope you're safe and well today. In case if you're here for the first time, my name is Richie D'Souza and I make a few videos about motorcycles, motorcycle travel, accessories and maintenance. Today's video is about a small helmet accessory. It's a communication headset called Freedconn, in case if you're wondering what it is. This is the headset. This is a cheap communication headset from Amazon. I think it's around 60 to 70 euros for one. And in case if you're wondering about the model number, it says TCOM VB. So in case if you're wondering what sticker is on top, it says Jenny on top. It's got a bit worn out. It's just to differentiate between mine and Jennifer's headset. I've had this headset for approximately around 3 years and it has performed flawlessly. The battery capacity is quite good. It lasts for approximately 6 to 8 hours. We have done quite a few trips with it. When we did the UK trip all the way from here to Belfast, Glasgow, Edinburgh, Lake District and then Wales, we did it with this particular headset and all the time this was flawless. This performed very well. So this video is not a review about this one. It's about how to install the headset as well as the mic to my helmet. If you're wondering why am I installing this if I had it for 3 years, yes, I have the setup on my LS2. Right now I'm going to install the same setup on my HJC Rpha 70. I did not want to take out the setup from the LS2 helmet, so I went ahead and ordered the mic and the headset from Amazon. It comes as a kit. I will show you in a minute how it looks. It was approximately around for 24 euros. I thought it was well worth the money of having it on both the helmets. I can use it whenever I want. In case if I'm taking any of my friends for a spin, I can give them the other helmet and we both can communicate as well. So that was the whole reason why I ordered one more mic as well as the earpiece. Let's not waste time, and I will mount this camera on top of the tripod and I'll show you how to install it. So as I mentioned earlier, I ordered it from Amazon. So this was the package in it and this was another package, and then these two pieces were in it. This is my HJC Rpha 70. I'm going to mount it on the left hand side over here, since on the right hand side I have my DJI Osmo Action, which is always mounted over here. So let's fix it over here. I can't put it too much towards the front because of the fact that there is this visor button, which is a very cool feature of the Rpha 70. Please do check out my review about this HJC Rpha 70. Alright, so let's open this package, and first what I'll do is I'll mount this particular bracket over here. It comes with this small Allen key with which I'll open this. Yep, I hope it fits right in. Let's see. Nevertheless, oh yeah, that was much easier than I thought it would be. Perfect. And then I'm going to tighten this part. Oh, it's pretty solid. This one looks pretty decent. So let me just plug this in. What's the story with this? Oh yeah, wow, this is pretty good. So to remove it, I have to just press this and boom boom, it comes out. This is pretty rock solid. Moves a little bit if you exert too much of pressure, but who's gonna fight with this? It is just to hold this small device. So that is out of the way. Now what I've done is I've taken out all the cheek pads, and the Rpha 70 comes with these two particular ear pads as well. They go in the place of, if I may show you, it goes into this place. So these pads were over here. So this is where the earpieces go. My next project is preparing a desk to make all these videos. I don't have a desk, that's the reason I'm making it on the bed, and I wanted a soft surface as well so that I don't scratch the helmet. So we have two of these Velcro stickies with which you have to mount the smaller microphone. And while talking about that, I'll take out this tie and let's open this. Alright, so these are your two earpieces or earphones or whatever you can call it as. And then there is a mouthpiece over here. This is one. I'm going to use this, and it comes with a boom mic as well. That is over here with the attachment. You can plug out this connection over here, and if you want you can plug this boom microphone in. I'm not going to use this because I have a full face helmet. If you have a flip up helmet or a different kind of helmet, maybe you can use this. I'll put this away since I'm not going to use it. And then we have 4 of these Velcros which stick on your earphones, but I don't think I need this. This has got Velcro already on it, as you can see. So I might straight away stick it on the helmet and see. Oh, it sticks fine. I have not taken out the liner from the head part of it because I don't think we need to take it out. Without taking it out itself, we can route the wires through the back. I'll show you exactly how it is done. So the first one, that's the right hand side one, is here. Sticks just fine. I don't think it will come out anyways. And then what I can do is I can put the microphone over here. Can I zoom this in a bit? Okay, I'll put it in the bottom near the cheek pad over here. However, there is a wind blocker over here. Okay, that is in there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to slip this particular earphone through the headliner and then bring it to the other side, and then I'm going to stick it on. Perfect, that's done. And now all I have to do is tuck away this wire under the cheek pad. So folks, I was trying to figure out how to wire this through this cheek pad. There was no way out because of the fact that this connector is right in the middle. So what I have done is I have cut this cheek pad over here. This cut wasn't there. I made it so that I can send these wires through like this, and then when I'm using the communication headset, you can put it through here, and then when I'm not using it, you can just put it into this small pouch over here in the emergency pull-out tab. So please do this at your own risk. I did not ask you to do this. This is my helmet. I can do whatever I want with it, and I have tried it. It goes in perfectly. Let me try it once again and I'll show you how it works. Perfect. And then now it's a bit of a struggle since this place here is also, this particular holder is also eating up some place, and so I have to struggle a little bit, but it's okay. It's only once you put it and then it stays there forever. Neither too tight nor too loose. It's perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of force it in there. Yeah, that's it. So when I'm using the Bluetooth communicator, I can put it over here, and when I'm not using it, I can just plug this out and hide this over here, and I can take the Bluetooth headset away and it doesn't look much bothering at all. Bingo, this is perfect. Now time to plug all the tabs in. Yep, second one is done. Yeah, third one is done as well. Now it's time for the second cheek pad. So while I was doing all that, the camera battery died, so I had to replace the camera battery and back in action again. So I've switched on my Bluetooth, and let me switch on the radio. And it's playing, voila. So it's in full volume now. I hope you guys can hear it. Brilliant, that works fine. So that is the installation video of a Freedconn earpiece as well as the mic on my HJC Rpha 70. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video. In case if you have liked, please do not forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment. And in case if you want to watch the full review of the Freedconn communication system, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will make a video in the future about the same. With this, I'll wind up this video. Thank you for your support so far. I have only reached around 615 subscribers as of now. With your support, I'm sure that I will be able to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more content like this. Thank you for your support so far, and I will see you in the next one. Ride safe and see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.